Rob Barnhill, and I am a senior team lead of the Northwest Trade Desk. The base rate generator will calculate the difference in the base pricing between the conforming standard balance product and the low balance spec product. Once that difference is calculated, our model allows you to adjust the percentage of that spec pay-up. MCT has the unique advantage with the relationship with Agile, utilizing over 275 clients' real-time market data across over 20 broker-dealers. Unique relationship with Agile, request an indication from these dealers and use that pricing up front for your MBS or Ginny pooling execution. The builder forwards or construction loans are sometimes under par rates that would be offered by an investor, so it's important to use real market data, TBAs, to create a base price that is executable for your front-end pricing that are going to be ultimately securitized, and the difference between when the loan would close and when that loan would be settled in a pool. So our model has some flexibility in the way that longer term locks are calculated. Daily adjustment, 120 or 150 day price. Float calculation, this is for your interest carry on loans. We really value the feedback coming from clients. Take that feedback to heart and incorporate it right into the programming resources, creating the most powerful tool on the market. Encouraging responses from clients that have moved from different platforms in how quickly our rate sheets are generated and the robust inclusion of agency pricing.